Hazel, I love you. Here too soon.
Sa akong manghod, day Hazel, day happy birthday day. Happy birthday sa inyo kasasintang edad. Kabay punta, ginaampo ko gid nga taga pag ikaw sang malawig kag manamo nga birthday para kita na to ng aton hinahandom sa aton pagabuhi day. Day halo kag pirmi, bisan layo kami sa imo. Ara lang ko yung mga utod mo nagaampo. Kag nagigugma sa imo day. Sa liwat, happy birthday day. We love you and we miss you day. Happy birthday liwat.
Hello, hello. Happy birthday sa magulang ko nga gwapa nga si Inday Hazel. Wishing you all the best.
Hello, Day. Happy 60th birthday. Stay healthy lang lagi. God bless.
God bless. Bye-bye.
Hello, Auntie Hazel. Happy birthday to you. May you have many more birthdays to come. Good health. God bless you more. And enjoy life. Greetings from Australia. Love you.
Happy birthday to Hazel. Hoping and praying all the best and more years to come. Stay happy.
Hello, Day. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. I wish I will be there celebrating your 60th birthday in Ilugman, but unfortunately, wala barko. Sakyan pa to da. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Regards.
Hi, Mommy. Happy birthday. I love you so much. Miss ko na kayo ni Daddy. I hope na safe kayo dyan. And, yeah, I love you. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Auntie Hazel. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. Stay safe. God bless. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy Hazel. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you, Mommy Hazel. Good health. Happy birthday, Mommy Hazel. Happy birthday to you. Tan tan tan. Happy birthday to you. Tan tan tan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Tan tan tan. Happy birthday, Hazel. Wish you good health. Love you, Mama. Happy birthday, Mommy Hazel. Sing na yun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello, Ate. Happy birthday. We wish you good health always. Of course, long life, free of worries and stress. May God bless you always. We miss you, Ate and Kuya Bert. And please take good care of each other. And we hope to see you here, Puhon in Texas, or maybe there in the Isle of Man, or in the Philippines. And Ate, we miss your cake and the sweets that you made for us. And we also miss the chika, the heart-to-heart talks, the laughter. And I hope, Ate, na magkita ka soon. And please come visit us here. We miss you, Ate.
And we love you. And we love you.
Happy birthday, Ate. Hope to see you soon, either here or there. We miss the unplanned chica and your food that you always prepare for us. And wishing you good health always and more happy and healthy years to celebrate. Take care.
Happy birthday, Jen and Hazel. We hope to see you soon with those delicious cakes you made before and all those treats you brought for us, for all those gatherings we had. Have a blessed birthday and make the most of it. We love you.
We love you, Ate, and we
Love you,
miss
Ate.
you.
Miss you.
Hugs
Happy
and
birthday.
kisses. Hugs and kisses from us here in Texas. Mwah!
Happy birthday, sister. I hope that you have a wonderful birthday and that the year ahead will be full of joy, surprises, and adventure. I pray to God that He will always guide you, give you good health and new strength every day, and more years to celebrate. We love you and we miss you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hello, Auntie Hazel. Happy 60th birthday po. Welcome to your senior year. And I pray and I hope na ma-meet ko po kayo sa next na bakasyon dito sa Pilipinas o kung dito man po sa Manila, kasi sa pagkakalam ko parang hindi ko pa po kayo na-meet. And I thank God for giving you another year in your life po, another year to celebrate life, to experience His grace. I pray that He will continually bless you and give you good health, and I pray for provision upon provision, blessing upon blessing, and may our Lord God bless you and keep you always, and may the Lord shine His face upon you and be gracious to you, and may He fill your hearts with overflowing joy and of peace. And yun lang po. Happy birthday po ulit, Auntie Hazel. Ingat po palagi. Bye-bye.
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday. Just want to let you know na we as an entire Delector clan is blessed to have you as our auntie throughout these years. Thank you for all the sacrifices that you made, and thank you for being so kind to your pamangkins all throughout our lives. Continue to be a blessing to other people as well, and we're thankful to have you as our auntie. Happy 60th birthday again. God bless you, and I love you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Auntie Hazel. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and many, many birthdays to come. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola Hazel. Have a good health. Happy birthday, Tita Hazel. Have a good birthday. Happy birthday, Lola Hazel. We see you next time po. I love you so much. We miss you and we will see you soon. We miss you and we see you soon. We love you all. We love you all. We miss you. Happy birthday, Auntie Hazel. Happy 60th birthday. We love you.
We miss you.
Hello, mga people, mabuhay.
We miss